how to view and download the Chase Bank statements as PDF on the website. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial on that. Let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can start by going to chase.com for that and log in into your account if you're not logged in. And once you do so, in order to download it, we can directly look out for the account option, usually in the top menu. Right in the first option, you can tap on it and then access that page menu option by once you access it up, what we can do is we can look out for this option called statements and documents. Go ahead and find that option right there and tap on it, and once we tap on it, here we'll be finding this page with statements available, like with date, type, etc., even file size, etc. You can just go over and look out for your account first, in which from which account you would like to download the bank statement from, and you can look out for your transaction here. And within this section right here, what we can do is we can just go over and look out to go ahead and view and download your bank statements. So you can look out for this blue play button, something like that. You can tap on it. And when you do, you will be taken to another page with a statement available. The size is 2 pages. You can look out for it. So we have a PDF version available. And if we want to download it, we can look out for this download option right beside it and just go over and click on it. And after that, you can just go over and download it on your device, and that way you should be able to view and download your Chase Bank statements as PDF on the website very easily. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this method for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.